In the starting gate is France's Jean-Claude Killy, skier of the decade. The course is 2.5 miles long with a vertical drop of 3,000 feet. The downhill is extremely difficult. The turns at the top are wide and fast. If a racer applies too much pressure on the edge of his skis as he makes his turn, it will cause him to lose speed. He must stay in a crouched position for the least amount of wind resistance, sometimes building up speeds well over 70 miles an hour. Killy is skiing well, but as he comes to the last bump, he sits back and almost falls, but then goes back into his tuck position and streaks across the finish line with an average speed of 62 miles an hour.